Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're looking to take your video edit to next level in 2025, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you top CapCut video editing tips and tricks that will help you to create professional looking videos faster and easier, even if you are just editing on your phone. These tips are perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even full-length YouTube videos. So open up CapCut, follow along, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make your edits stand out and keep your viewers hooked. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. So first of all, we are going to give a first tip, that is use auto captions to save time. So the tip number one is to always add caption. The easiest way is by using CapCut's auto captions feature. So captions are not just for looks, they make your videos more engaging and accessible, and they can help boost your watch time since a lot of people watch videos with the sound off. In CapCut, adding caption is super simple. You just need to import your video. First of all, let's import our one video. Let's say we already have a couple of recorded video. I will copy of them and I will paste it here, and you can see this one is our existing video. Now you just need to click onto the text. Once you click over here, then here you just need to get the options called auto captions. Then you just need to choose this auto caption. Once you click over here, then you will get to see that one. Then you just need to pick your language, what actually your language. Here we have the Arabic, Bengali, Burmese, Chinese, Dutch, and also the English one. So it's totally depend on you what you did use in this video, and you just need to click on to the generate. Once you click over here, then here you can see the generation already been started. CapCut will automatically generate captions for you in just a few seconds. Once they appear, you can tap on the captions to fix any words, change the font style, adjust the size, and even add colors or animation to match your branding. Adding bold or animated caption is a great way to keep viewers focused on what you are saying. It is such a time saver and way more accurate than trying them out by hand. So now you can see actually our video already been added, so we are going to change the color. So I'm going to select that, and here you can see that our auto caption is right now working. So I will select that one, and from that place I will change the color, and here you can see the color already been changes here. So here this is the easiest way to generate your auto caption. Now next we are going to talk about tip number two. So tip number two is all about making your edits flow with your music. Like nothing grab attention more than perfectly timed cuts that match the beat of a song. CapCut has a feature called beat detection that makes this really easy. All you need to do is add your music track. So here you just need to add your music track. So you just need to go over here to the audio, and here you can see we have a couple of audio. So I'm going to use that one. So I will click on download and I will place it in here, and here you can see it already been added. So now I just want to sync my edits to the beat. So first of all, when you add your music track, and now you just need to go on edit audio. So here you will find out the options. If you select the audio, then you will actually find out the edit options in here. Once you will get the options, you just need to turn on beta detections. So here you just need to select this one, and from that place you will get to see that enhance voice, normalize, then auto mask beats one, then generate captions, and here you will find out many couple of things. So I will come back to the media, and from that place I will again come over that place, and from that place you can see there is a couple of options like copyright, then the music we already provided, yours we have. So from that place you just need to come over to the right corner, and you just need to turn on your beta options. So you will find out in here voice changer, or you can see it here. So we just need to find it out, that options. So here you can see this is the options auto marked beats. You just need to select one of them, and here you can see the beat already been added, and this way you can use this auto sync edits option. So This tiny trick instantly make your video feel polished and professional, especially for TikTok reels or any short form content where music is the key. Now let's talk about tip number 3. That one is try the latest AI effect to experiment with CapCut's new AI powered effect. CapCut keeps adding amazing AI effect every year, and in 2025 they are better than ever. One of my favorite is the body effect selections, where you can add glowing outlines, neon sparkles, then motion trails or other dynamic effects that automatically track your movements. To add one, you just need to tap effect, and here you just need to go over here effect, and from that place you will find out that effect for your uses. You just need to be scroll to body effect. So here you just need to be scroll to body effect. Here you can see this is the body effect, and now here you can see the body effect later you will get in here. So this way you can do this edit. So want to look like you're surrounded by neon lighting or have sparkle follows your hands, you can do that with just a tap. Just remember, effects are fun, but don't overload your video. Subtle touch often look more professional than too much visual clutter. Now let's talk about tip 4 is about making your edits look smooth and cinematic. Don't settle for basic hardcuts all the time. Try adding creative transitions between your clips. CapCut has huge library of transitions like whip, pans, zooms, slides, and camera movements. To add on, just tap the small white square between two clips. Let's add another clips in here, then you will get to see the result eventual. So I will click on media and just click to the import, and from that place I will download a clip. So I will paste it in here. So this is the clip we have, so I'm going to paste it in that place. So here, and now I just want to use the transition. So let's go to the transition. Here you can see this is the transition, and let's find it out the free one. Or you just click this one, or you can use any of them from that place. It's totally, this one is bottom right, so we can go with that one. So we just need to place it here. And now if you see, don't forget to hit the, if you see here, let's zoom this one, and now eventually you will able to see with an interesting topic again. And here you can see the smooth zoom transition. So transition help your video flow naturally from one screen to the next, keeping your viewers watching until the end. So I hope you understand. Now let's talk about 5 number tip, that is to start using keyframes if you have not already. Keyframes let you add custom animations to anything, text, images, overlays, or even entire video clips. Here is how it works. Let's say you want a photo to slowly zoom in. You just need to select the photo, tap keyframe, place the playhead at the beginning and set its starting size and position. Then move the playhead to where you want the animations to end. Resize or reposition the photo, and CapCut will automatically create a smooth motions between those 2 points. You can do the same for text, make it slide in bounds or grow in size. Learning to use keyframes is a game changer if you want to edit to stand out with smooth custom animations. And that's it for today. Now you know the top CapCut tips and tricks for editing like a pro in 2025. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.